Here we stand together on this special day, a time to celebrate, to sing and pray. There's one special person who holds our hearts so dear. Today we honor you, Mami Boss Yamura, so clear. Happy birthday, Mami Boss Yamura. Kaming lahat ay bumabati ng maligayang araw sa'yo. Lahat ng anak mo nagpapasalamat sa'yo sa pagmamahal at gabay na laging totoo. Happy birthday, Mami Boss Yamura. Pamilya Yamura at ang General Dean, sama-sama tayo para sa iyong kaarawan. Mahal ka namin hanggang sa walang hanggan. Yeah, you are a mother, are a leader and a light, guiding us always through day and through night. Lahat ng sakripisyo, pawis at pagod, ginawa mo para sa amin kinabukasan talaga. Walang hinto, walang pagod, ikaw ay laging handa upang ang bawat isa sa amin ay magtagumpay pa. Salamat sa pagmamahal, sa pag-unawa at tiwala. Ikaw ang sandalan namin sa oras ng pagsubok at saya. Everyone, let me tell you the story of a woman so strong, full of glory. Mami Boss Yamura, that's the name we praise. Leading with kindness, walking through all days, from home to community, you make things right, bringing people together, morning until night. All your children say thank you from the deepest heart for every lesson taught, every part of who we are. Created by Romeo Yamura Warden, here to celebrate, let the joy begin. Pamilya Yamura kasama ang General Din, sama-sama tayo hindi maghihiwalay. Sa araw mong espesyal, walang katulad na saya. You give us hope, you lift us high. Under your guidance, we touch the sky. Thank you for caring, thank you for giving, thank you for living, for always believing. Today we gather side by side as one, all your children, family and everyone. We come together with smiles and open hearts to celebrate your life and all the blessings you impart. Walang ibang hiling kundi kaligayahan at kapayapaan, naway pagpalain ka pa ng may kapal sa bawat pagkakataon. From every corner, every place in town, voices rise up, let the joy resound. Maligayang kaarawan, sabihin ng malakas para kay Mami Boss Yamura. Mga masasayang sandali, lahat ng anak mo nagpapasalamat sa'yo. Pamilya Yamura at ang General din, sama-sama tayo para sa iyong kaarawan. Ito ay espesyal dahil ikaw ay espesyal. Created by Romeo Yamura Warden, we celebrate you today and every year. More blessings, more joy, more love so dear. Live long and healthy, full of happiness. You deserve the best, nothing less. Hooray!